Looking to give Obsidian a completely different look? Besides the basic light and dark options, Obsidian comes with a huge collection of community themes that can change the appearance of almost every part of the app. Let's take a look at how to find and apply them. Start by opening Settings using the gear icon in the bottom left corner of Obsidian. Once the Settings window opens, you'll see the different categories on the left. Select Appearance. Now look for the Themes section. Here you'll see your current theme along with a Manage button. Click Manage to open the theme browser. This is where things get interesting. Obsidian has hundreds of community themes to choose from, ranging from very subtle changes to designs that completely transform the interface. There's also a useful option that controls which themes are shown. Depending on whether your base color scheme is set to adapt to system, light, or dark, Obsidian may only display themes designed for that particular appearance. If you want to explore everything that's available, you can turn this option off. By default, the themes are sorted by most downloaded, which is a good place to start if you want to see some of the most popular choices. But you can change the sorting if you're looking for something specific. For example, you can switch to alphabetical order if you already have a particular theme in mind. There's also an option to sort by recently released themes. This is useful if you're curious about what's new and want to discover some of the latest additions. Once you've found a theme you like, select it to see its details. If you want to use it, click Install and Use. Obsidian will immediately apply the new theme so you can see how it looks without restarting the application. With so many themes available, you can keep Obsidian looking simple and minimal, make it more colorful, or choose a completely different style. So if the default Obsidian appearance isn't quite your thing, take a few minutes to explore the community themes. You might find a design that makes the app much more enjoyable to use. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to give the video a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.